everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today we are going to show you a super quick 5 to 10 minutes hairstyle. For this style, you start with parting of the hair right in the middle, and then from over the ear to the middle of the crown, a bit kind of diagonal line is going to mark our first portion of hair, and then exactly the same on the right hand side. So go from the middle point to over the ear, and I do here a little bun just to have the hair out of my way for the time being and clip it away. With the rest of the hair we are going to make 2 pigtails, and I just use some water just to tame the flyaways, and I'm using tiny clear elastics because we don't want these hair ties to be seen later. So do 2 pigtails, make sure that they are more or less on the same height, and then we are going to start with the upper part, the first one on the right hand side that we sectioned off. Today we're just doing a simple 3-strand braid. So go through and make 3 same size strands, bring the left over the middle and then the right strand over the middle, hold everything neatly and tight in between of your fingers, and you see, left over the middle and then right strand over the middle. We do some stitches more or less until the middle, and when you have this, hold, not too tight, and we are going to make wider the braid by pulling at the outer edges. I learned that this is called pancaking. If you like, leave me a comment here down below and tell me how would you call this and why is it called pancaking. So what we want to do is to make a braid that could be a tinier one, or you have thinner hair, smaller strands, whatever. We want to make this look wider by pulling the outer edges. Then when you reach the end, take another little clear elastic and tie it off. Then you can adjust a bit the braid. You can also use some hairspray or whatever. Clip this away. We just want to make it as easy as possible. Same thing like on the right hand side, now on the left hand side. Make sure that you start again with the upper strand, the one that is closer to the middle strand. Like this, you make sure that your style looks symmetrically. And do the same. Left over the middle, right over the middle, left over the middle strand, and then the right. And when you just are about to loosen up the braid to make it look wider, don't hold it too tight with one hand, and here my right hand is pulling the outer edges. Pull bit by bit. Once it's pulled out, it's hard to bring back and you have to braid it new if you don't like the result. So be careful. Now cross the braids, make a little loop at the end of the braid. I use the topsy tail tool to bring the pigtail through, and then you tie from underneath, and you see that this is hidden under the pigtail. Do the exactly same thing on the other side. Pull so that is tight, and there you go, 5 to 10 minutes. I hope you like our super quick style. If you're new on our channel, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. See you back soon. Bye bye.